Now that we have our auto sampler aligned, it's time to start a run. So in your accessory kit, you'll have several vials. So we have one for waste. We're going to put that in the W. We're going to have one for solvent. We use IPA. We're going to put that in the S. And then we're going to take our GCFID test mix. We're going to test that again. We're going to put that in location number 1. So we're set up on the auto sampler to run. So let's go to the software and start a run. So you'll see now that you'll have single and batch. So single is in case you need to take the auto sampler off to do manual injections. Batch is for your auto sampler. So we're going to click batch. We're going to name the batch. And then we're going to choose where we want to save it to. We're going to keep it in reference results. We're going to click add, how many injections we want to do. We're going to do 3 to make sure that we have a good RSD on our retention times and area. We have to name each sample, so we're going to just call it sample 1, sample 2, and sample 3, make it easy. We have to choose which method we're going to run. We're going to choose GCFID, and that actually auto-fills down. We're going to choose what position we're in. We're only in position 1, so we're going to leave everything as position 1, and then how many microliters we want to inject. If you create a method or you use one of the default methods that doesn't have an auto sampler set up, it's going to say 0, and you have to back out and edit your method in order to tell it that you want 1 microliter injection. It's method specific, not run specific. And then what type of run we're going to do. We're going to do a sample run, and we click start. And it should bring you to the familiar screen. We're already set up, so now you're going to see that it's going to clean the syringe. It's going to home in between each step. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to clear out the wash solvent with the sample to make sure that the sample is the only thing in our needle. And now we're going to extract the sample. And then inject the sample. And now we watch our chromatogram.